we're gonna buy Solana on the cheap using options, using cash secure puts, using a potential airdrop. How cool is that? Let's get to it. So my name is Ziv, also known as Finance After 40. If you like what you see, subscribe and also support on Patreon. We are at 99 members. Let's break 100. Appreciate you all. What are we doing today? We are doing options. We're gonna buy Solana on the cheap, just like Warren Buffett buys Coca-Cola on the cheap. I kid you not. Everybody knows about Warren Buffett. Cash secure put. I'm not doing a tutorial how to do it, but we are using this one. Friktion. Go to DeFi Llama. Click on Friktion. Number 3 in the option. We are in the option section. Option total value locked. I've used this protocol. Now I'm gonna do it like live. I really like it. This is only on Solana. This is I don't know if it's a fork or something, but it's exactly like Ribbon Finance. Number 1, I've done a video like 6 months ago. I've used it on Ethereum. It's great. It works great. You make like 40% APY, but then you pay Ethereum fees every Friday, and it's just not worth it for a small fish like us. So Solana does the same thing. Friktion, look at this, no coin. See RBN number 1, they have a coin. They did an airdrop, just an FYI, and feel free to correct me if I'm wrong, because I wasn't in the game. I just read all the messages. $50,000, not dollars, 50,000 Ribbon coins for early users. Ribbon is like $4 now. That's $200,000, 6 figures. Are you kidding me? $200,000 airdrop for early users. So we are early users. Let's make 6 figures together. Friktion, Solana. Look at this crazy amount. Total value locked $111 million. Ribbon is number 1 at 270. Lira, already have a coin from last month. I've used them. I love them. They are on Optimism layer 2 on synthetic. 88 million. Okay, 88. They already broke Lira, which is a great one, with a coin. They don't even have a coin yet. DPX, also a great one, also have a coin. I think those are on Arbitrum. Yeah, Arbitrum right here. 73 million. Katana is the next competitor, also don't have a coin, but when I try to do an airdrop, this says I live in the US, so I can't use the website. So you know what, you know what, if you don't want US people, your project, in my humble opinion, will die. 40 mil before it even started. 40 million only, basically total value locked. Hegek, they've been here for a year in the option space. 11 million. There's nothing here. Chest, I need to do an airdrop tutorial. Also don't have a coin, but the website doesn't really look good. Less than 10 million. So from all those options, from all the things that I've seen, yes, Ribbon is great, but Ribbon is on Ethereum. I see that they are now on Avalanche. Okay, Friktion is on Solana. I pay a lot less and I really like what I'm seeing, so let's do it. You go to this website. In a nutshell, let's talk about cash secure put, just so you know. Solana, let's call it now at 140. I don't want to buy a Solana at 140. I want to buy Solana just like Warren Buffett at like 120. Get paid to wait. And if Solana stays above 120, for example, I keep my premium that the option buyers pays me, and if Solana goes below 120, I keep my premium still. So win-win. I keep my premium either way, but I buy Solana at 120. That's it. That's how you should buy stocks, and that's how you should buy options. The beauty with the crypto options, that you do not need 100 stocks just like in the stock market. For example, you need 100, let's say $15,000 to buy 100 shares of Apple at 150 instead of 170. But here you just need one. I don't think you even need one. You need 0.01 to start. So that's beauty. We're just gonna do one sol. So what are we doing? The first Basically 111 million locked. Every Friday it auto compounds, so you don't have to do anything. You just you deposit once, you go to sleep, you get paid for the covered calls, which is a different strategy, not for this video. You sell your Solana for 447% annual returns. It's the same thing, just an FYI on the other way. Solana is at, let's say, 140 today, and you sell for Friday 180 calls for January 21st. As long as and you get a premium, and as long as Solana, you see the price 147. If Solana stays below 180, you get the premium. You still keep your Solana. If Solana goes by Friday to like 200, I assume they convert your 180 to either USDC or something like that, but you still keep your premium. It's not like you sell and your money is gone forever. Learn about options. This is also good stuff once you have Solana, but I want to buy Solana. I have USDC for this tutorial. I want to buy Solana. Okay, so I'm going to all the way down and look at all those options, and I'm doing this one. Cash secure put. Sol 45% annually, and it breaks down 0.72 weekly. 45.4 annually compounded minus the fees. The fees, I assume, goes to the people that hold the coin that doesn't, it's not even live yet, so the platform gets fees. Very bullish on this one. If they do an airdrop, which I really hope they will, I'm not so sure I'm gonna sell because this looks like a good potential. Deposit, withdraw. What do you need to do? I played around, I put $3, but right now, no, I don't want to go to Sol Scan. Right here, you click, you see my wallet balance 50 cents. We're gonna top it off, pending deposit. I'm gonna deposit. Okay, Solana price 137, and it's gonna say pending, and it's gonna put our basically bag to buy Solana for next Friday, from this Friday to next Friday. Okay, let's see, and now it says 120 put. I assume Friday it will be maybe 100 or something like that. So you deposit $120 now, and on Friday they will start your process for 7 days. It regenerates every 7 days. Exit page. Okay, let me pause because everything crashes. So let's do this live. For this example, I'm gonna send $120, which is USDC, and after Coinbase, wow, they took just $9. Unreal, just unreal. So basically $120 became 111, which is 0.8 Solana. Copy your address. If you don't have a Solana wallet, a Phantom wallet, link below to a tutorial. I'm gonna send Solana. I tried to sell USDC. It didn't recognize it, so I converted from USDC that I paid fees to Solana. On Coinbase, paid more fees. Unfreaking real. Continue. And now I need to swipe Solana to USDC to just unreal. The fees are insane, and we all gonna make it with crypto. And now they're taking more fees, less than a minute, and now my 120 became 110. Unreal, just unreal. Send now. Okay, I'm sending to my address. I'm gonna pause, put the code in. So now it says that I send $110 to my wallet, or 0.8 Sol. Click done. Go back to the website. Go to your Phantom wallet. Okay, let's see that it's here. It should be here. Finance after 40 test. Yeah, Solana is let me tell you guys a joke. Oh, it started, so feel free to tell me a joke. Winner of the joke of the week will get like on the comment from me. Yeah. Was this funny? Unsubscribe because it wasn't funny. Anyway, now we got Solana 0.82. Let's click here, Solana. We're gonna do a swap so we can actually get Phantom coin once they do go live, just like MetaMask coin. We're doing all those stuff to stake the cards in our favor. Click here, click on the arrows. Okay, click on the arrows. Solana is super slow, unreal. Solana 0.8 to USDC. Okay, yes, I'm not gonna do 0.8, I'm gonna do 0. Let's say 77. Wow, 0.77, so you leave a little bit for fees. And yeah, I'm gonna get 104. Unreal. So let's do 78. That's fine. 78, how much is that? 105. Do 77, it's a good number. Review order. Okay, review the order. Basically, unreal. We're doing all of this just to get money into the system. Okay, review the order. Wow, it's so slow. No, Solana. I like Solana, but anyway, I'm getting 104 USDC from my $120 USDC payment to Coinbase. I got 104. Unreal, just to do something. USDC received, but this swap can also give me something for Phantom Wallet airdrop. And now I don't want to see Sol scan. So now I'm gonna refresh this and I'm gonna actually buy the cash secure put, so we can be eligible for the airdrop potentially. But also I would like to buy Solana on the cheap, just like Warren Buffett does. Connect the wallet, seriously. Unreal. Yeah, I know. It's just it's a pain in the, yeah. Connect the wallet. Everything is good. Everything is I'm gonna pause because it's too yeah. Okay, well, let's keep going. So my wallet got connected. Let's see, and look at this. So by the way, you can do 100% annually on Luna. Just an FYI. Bitcoin, of course. I assume there's Ethereum somewhere. 20% on Ethereum, covered calls. But we are today buying Solana. So we are here, and I'm gonna deposit more into this pool. You see my wallet balance is 104. I already deposit $3 just to see that it actually works. Max, what's my max? Okay, click max. Can I click max? 104. Good. Let's do 104 without all the stuff. So I will have 107, whatever that means. Okay. Projected APY. So slow, it's crazy. Deposit 104 USDC. It's not gonna put me in this pool, the 120, but I assume they will sell the $100 put this Friday for next Friday, and then I will be able to either get Solana at $100, and if Solana is over $100, then I will still keep the premium. How much premium? I don't know. We're gonna check it probably on Friday. Deposit 104 USDC. It's gonna charge me just like Ribbon Finance, but this time I'm paying in Solana fees instead of Ethereum fees, and that's the game changer. I clicked approve. Everything is slow on Solana, which is insane. Deposit, move my face. Deposit successful. Wow, look at this. It's stuck in the middle. Unreal. Well, I thank you all for spending the time with me. You see, it's still stuck. Wow. Solana is under attack or something. There's a lot of stuff going on behind the scene for people with a lot of money that we just need to follow the breadcrumbs. Okay, so now what's going on? Let's see what's up. Okay, is it done? I don't know what's going on here. Do I need to do anything? This is all the results, by the way. Pending deposit. Let's pause. Okay, so cash secure puts. Let's click. And now I got $107. It says spending, and they're only gonna deposit, as I said, on Friday for next Friday. Expire every week. Solana price 136. I can just buy Solana now, but I don't want to be a degen. I want to be Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett buy stocks on the chip using cash secure puts. How much I'm gonna get paid, that's the question, I don't know. But the platform itself makes money from withdrawal fees if people are panic selling in the middle of the week, and performance fee. So let's say we get, I don't know, everyone are getting paid, which is good, basically. Share token price 120 put. There's already 11 million out of 15 million in this pool, projected 45%. Yeah, I like what I see. There's bugs in this website, not bugs, that it's a little slow. It doesn't really connect the wallet until you try it like twice. I don't know if it's them or it's basically Solana as a whole. My balance is 110. But the most important thing, they do not have a coin. They already at number 3 and they passed Lira, they passed DPX, two great option coins in total. They passed Hagik, that's been here a year. It seems like it's gonna die a slow death because it's on Ethereum. It is what it is. Katana don't have a coin. Good project, don't want US people, so I'm not gonna touch that. Psi options also on Solana with no coin. All those stuff. I think the options sector, if people will move from Robinhood to crypto, they need something fast, they need something cheap. This is just for selling options. Wait until the buying options, which is Lira, but just on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Chainlink. But you need to send money using Ethereum to Optimism. It's still not there. It's super early. I wish you all a great weekend. Subscribe, hit the bell, Patreon below to support. I'll see you next time.